So the WyoTech Career Fair, which is going on behind us, this is a chance for employers to come on campus and engage with our students. The way that we kind of put out the word is through our College Central network system. The biggest benefit to the students is that they can build their resume, they can actually start doing the research and looking at what companies are listed. Right now, we're just over 1,100 employers on the site now. We do mock interviews, we help you with your development, get your resume ready to go so that it's opened in the system, and by the time you are ready to graduate, it's already doing that research for you, and you'll start getting phone calls.
The demand for technicians has never been high as it is now. Maybe you want to be a teacher, maybe you want to be an engineer. You talk to anybody here, you talk to anybody in this industry, and they'll tell you there are so many opportunities to go in different directions.
We have construction, we have aeronautics, we have shipping. We barely even scratch the surface.
Look up the numbers, look at the pay, look at the demand, and you'll be quite surprised because a lot of these students coming out of here, they're getting compensation packages that blow other opportunities away.
At the career fair here, I think we had approximately 2,000 job openings. I had several students come back from the career fair and said, I got a job offer.
Most of them are getting 3 or 4 or sometimes even 5 job offers.
I really am on the fence with Penske and another one. I'm trying to decide. I'm not sure which one to go with. I still have 27 days.
I still have 5.5 more weeks here, and I already got a job waiting for me as soon as I get out of here.
In the Career Services Department at WyoTech, we are excited to welcome you to the industry. So that's our job, is to get you well engaged into what is out there after you finish your training at WyoTech. To access the College Central Network, you go to the wyotech.edu website and you'll see Career Services. It's in a red font. Click on that and you'll go into the sign-in page. They can actually get an app on their phone as well.